Okay, how to adjust these hinges. A lot of glass pull gates have these hinges, and sometimes they don't close. This one's just closing, but with the slightest breeze, it's not quite closing enough. So the client was concerned. So how we adjust these is quite simple. You need to get, this actually comes with the hinges when you buy them. Most people lose these, keep them. You need to get one of these or a thin screwdriver, and it goes into one of those little holes. Okay, and see inside there, there's a little pin. If you rotate this, see how the pin now comes out? Now you can grab that pin and move it to a different hole. So I'm going to try and do this with the camera running if possible. So I move it to there, and then I'm taking it out and I'm moving it across. So it was in that hole, now it's in another hole, and now I'm letting it go. So that effectively tightened the hinge. So now when you open the gate, it's now pulling the gate closed a little bit faster, which is causing it to shut properly. Now, unfortunately, there's a point where you reach where they do tend to make that slamming noise. There's nothing you can do about that other than installing some soft close hinges, which I'll be doing other training sessions on, but I use Polaris soft close hinges. There are some other brands out there, and they basically go in the same position as these hinges, and they're a couple of $100 a pair or $300 a pair, depending on your gate, but they're awesome to install, because then they bring the gate closed and then they stop, and the last sort of 10 centimeters nice and soft, stops that slamming effect. But that's how you adjust these hinges. Now the one on the bottom, depending on the direction of the gate, sometimes you'll find the hinge at the bottom on either the top or bottom, if the hinge is on that side, because they have to mount them upside down, in which case it's the same thing. You insert the rod, and there's your little pin. Now I didn't need to adjust that one because that would make the gate slam too much.